This country previously developed academic talents, and everybody was looking for a formal job to be employed. Later, the world turned into talent. Kenya embraced the question of talent, and talent is now the line every country is moving to. One Willis Raburu developed his talent. He honed his skills in major media houses. He has created a name and a brand that rivals serious brands in East and Central Africa. One Willis Raburu, out of that brand, East African breweries hired him, not because it was an accident, but because of his past performance. The task was so hard for East African breweries to manage without hiring and going back to look for those who have been tested and proved that they can deliver. This was a question about how do we get students from universities. Students of universities are not an easy type of group to bring them to consume brands manufactured by EABL. Willis Raburu was given to make a show called Caravan what? Wabebe Campus Club. Wabebe Wale Campus Club. He went ahead, subcontracted artists from Kenya and from the region for Furaha City. KBL was satisfied that their arrangement was fit. They approved and went ahead and sent him a contract, which he signed mischievously, and I repeat, mischievously. The part of Kenya Brewery was not signed. But this one is not the first time Willis Raburu has presented and acted and held shows on behalf of EABL. They have never signed. It is only the Willis and the team that are going to perform that sign. When the contract goes back, EABL supplies the beer, supplies the alcohol, supplies the merchandise, supplies their people. They come and pay later. Willis and team performed 4 shows that were paid, others have not been paid. To date, Willis Raburu is being turned into somebody hiding from creditors. We have put EABL on notice. This is December, this is Christmas, this is Happy New Year festivities, when EABL is going to take on their stable quite a number of artists. And this is a warning, and this is why Willis Raburu has taken an unprecedented commercial transaction issue to the public, to the Kenyans and to everybody. Very many artists in this country who have been contracted have not been paid. Very many artists who have performed have been underpaid. Very many artists who have been contracted have run into depression, they have run into stress, they have run into serious family disputes. Those married, their wives must have disappeared. Those intending to marry, they cannot pay dowry because EABL has refused to pay them. This is a serious issue that Other than being an artist, Willis and team are family members. Willis and team are employers. Willis and team are paying taxes to the Republic of Kenya. Already KRA, because a fee note was sent, KRA has already taken their money away from what they have been paid. So we have rushed to court under serious certificate of urgency, and we expect that the judge will give very serious directions to save the youth of this country. It started with fleecing of athletes. When athletes from Eldoret and the other Uasin Gishu regions were getting a raw deal, it went to other sectors of sports, football and the other sectors. Now it is in the sector for entertainment. It is our duty as a country, and we shall be petitioning other relevant agencies of government other than the court system to intervene so that policy guidelines are developed and strict legal regimes are put in place to protect those people who are innovative, those young people who have built this country to where we are. When we talk of Wabebe, it transcends boundaries of Kenya. It is a brand name. It is a selling point for Kenyans. It is a tourist attraction. It is what is branding this country worldwide. It is what is removing our youth from crime. It is what is giving our youth the future that they can grow, be better than Willis. So EABL and the agent that they purport to work with, we have taken them to court, and we expect that they will be writing to me to say, let us settle this matter today before we proceed very seriously against EABL. We give notice, and we shall, as I said, we'll give notice to those regulators, and we shall be challenging the license of EABL if that license granted by the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya and by the laws of the Republic of Kenya and by the citizens of the Republic of Kenya, so that we protect those who are weak against multi-billionaire companies. Remember, EABL is a multinational conglomerate. It is not a Kenyan company. It is only the franchise trading here by that name. We will be moved into those where their headquarters is best, and Willis is determined to set pace and to liberate very many actors, very many youths, very many enterprising people from slavery. The Constitution does not allow people to work and they are not paid. Once they have worked, they must be paid. That is what Swiga said. There must be consideration. Thank you very much. Let Willis say one word or two.